Hello, first graders. Today we're going to start with an activity called Place It Right. This is reasoning with numbers. Each of your slides is going to contain a cloud that looks like this, and in the cloud will be the numbers that you are going to be working with. Another slide will look like this. This is where you will be placing the numbers and trying to figure out the formula. All of your slides will look like this. You will see again the cloud. This time it has the numbers in it. Here is your formula. And this slide actually has a clue. And this clue is what is going to be able to help you solve the equation. So our only clue is the sum is between 60 and 70. So we're going to be looking at the ones and the tens. So if we look here, we need to have a number between 60 and 70. So we could do 60. Let me get why can't I draw here? We could do, oh, I gotta do this, okay. So we could have 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, or 69. So those are our numbers. So we have to try and figure out how to take these numbers and create that right here. Okay. So we know that this right here needs to be a 6, right? Because these all in the tens, there's a 6. So we're going to put a 6 right there, okay? I'm going to make it a little bigger. Okay, now, so in order to get a 6, we need to put, should we put a 5 there? Okay, let's put a 5 there. Okay, so I put the 5 there. And then we're going to move the 1 here. Ah, there you go. I want to move this 5 so we can see that it's gone. Oh, not that. Undo that. I'm just going to go right in here and take that away. Okay. Now we're going to grab this 5. Now, 5 plus 1, we have our 6 right there. So now we have a 2, 3, and a 4. So if we take our 4 and put it here, and we take our 3 and put it here, because this is all we have left. So we have to add 4 plus 3 plus 2. So if we add 4 plus 3, that's 7. And then we add 2 more, we come up with, a 9. So again, look at our clue. The sum is between 60 and 70. So we have 69. Yes, it is one of our answers. All right, we have placed it right and we have come up with the answer. This is how your activity is going to look. All of your slides will have these. So good luck with Place It Right, first graders.